A group of motorcycle riders voices out its opposition against Marikina's proposed ordinance banning riding in tandem. An open dialogue with Marikina City Councilor Mdppa and some security-concerned citizens was held today to discuss the ordinance. Phoebe Javier reports.
In a public hearing held today, motorcycle riders expressed their opposition in the proposed ordinance banning riding in tandem in Marikina. The ordinance aims to reduce the alarming number of crimes committed usually by men who are riding in tandem. Motorcycles are used by some criminals as these can easily wind through vehicular traffic. Leaders of motorcycle riders strongly oppose and even condemn the proposed ordinance. Ferdy Marco, president of Marikina Cycle Organization, says prohibiting riding in tandem in the city is not the solution to criminality. He suggests that officials prohibit riders from carrying firearms.
Marami po maapektuhang pamilya dito po sa ordinansang ito. Mga naghahatid po sa eskwela, mga asawang sinasamahan po sa mapamalengke, mga mag-asawa po nagtatrabaho po sa karatig lungsod po namin, mukhang nakakaawa naman po kung ito'y mapapasa.
Some motorcycle leaders also vowed to help the police and the local government of Marikina in addressing the increasing cases of crimes involving men riding in tandem.
Imbis sana na i-discriminate itong mga riders natin, yung bilang namin ay sapat na para tulungan ang lahat ng lungsod sa National Capital Region para masugpo yon.
The author of the proposed ordinance, Councilor Mdppa, is open on discussing the matter with the riders.
Kaya nga ho tinawag na proposed ordinance. Ang dapat natin ilagay, isipin natin yung kapakanan natin dito sa lungsod ng Marikina. Tatanggapin po namin at gagawin namin sa ikagaganda ng Marikina.
In today's dialogue and public hearing with different riders' organizations, he says he is open to changes or even to the scrapping of the proposed ordinance. Phoebe Javier, RPN News.
That wraps up today's news. Please follow our Twitter account at RPN Newswatch for news updates.
I'm Phoebe Javier.
And I'm Joyce Burton Titular. Thank you for watching.